Hi there, welcome to the Teeny Tinkers channel. I make ball jointed doll and craft related content, but today I'm making an unboxing. These are two very amazing custom dolls from JackyOhhh here on YouTube. JackyOhhh has sent me a Juni and a Penelope, which I first in turn sent her. Now the pre-order is over, but I was very aware that that could happen. I'm super excited to get these girls open, but before I show you the girls, I just want to shout out JackyOhhh. Like I mentioned, she's here on YouTube. She posted an unboxing of these dolls and then also an amazing 40-minute customization of these girls. Please go check it out. Drop her some love because she knocked it out of the park. She made everything right down to the eyes. She killed it. I can tell right away she reused some of the packaging I sent. I love that personally. I think reusing packaging is super smart and eco-friendly, so I am here for it, Jackie. They were wrapped super well and they came super safe, and I'm very excited about that. And I also got a little card. If you know me, you know I love getting cards. I pretty much keep every card I ever get. It was just really sweet and just mentioned about loving the dolls and being excited for her. She ordered during the pre-order. All right, here's where I keep most of the cards I get. This is the cork board in my resin room. Also, just a side note, if you ever feel like you want to send a card, I do have my P.O. box listed in the description, so you can always send stuff there. Also, if you notice that the resin room looks super different, I have literally an hour-long video on my second channel where I customize this whole room and I flip it in 2 days. It needed to happen. It was ugly in here. But let's get back to this unboxing quick. Like I said, they're wrapped in some of the packaging I used. The peanuts were the peanuts I sent along. And then, oh my gosh, okay, so I never send wrong parts. I think it's happened once ever, except for with Jackie, who I sent unintentional hands to not once, but twice. So she was kind enough to send them back to me. Thank you, Jackie. I appreciate. At this point, I had seen Jackie's video, and of course she had sent me some photos as well, so I knew what they were going to look like, and honestly, that still didn't prepare me for how cute these girls are in person. Jackie apologizes in her note for her wig and sewing quality, but honestly, they're really not bad at all. They're actually quite good. And I think Jackie's trademark is her attention to detail. This is something I want to improve with my own sewing and my own face-ups, is just the little bitty things that you don't even think about, and then when you notice, they just make you smile. She's just beautiful. The blushing is beautiful. Again, please go check out Jackie's video if you haven't seen it already. I just want to squeeze her cheeks. Okay, but this is Juni, and we still have Penelope to open. Penelope is the yellow one. She has a slightly open mouth, and I know Jackie did them both in this Lovecore birthday theme because the last day of the pre-order was on my birthday, and the first day was on Valentine's Day, so it was very I don't know, it was a really nice way to wrap up this pre-order, and I just think she knocked it out of the park. Jackie has a super distinct style, and that's actually why I reached out to her in the first place, way back when. She has, I don't know, the way she paints her dolls is very Jackie, and it's not a style I see anywhere else, and I just love it so much. It's very avant-garde, very editorial. I just think it was perfect for Juni and Penelope. It just made them look so cool. I cannot express how smitten I am. Look at the buns are hearts, and the tiny party hats, the little bow on the back, the details are stupidly cute. I can't. I feel grateful and excited and inspired all at the same time. So that's one thing, is collabing with other artists really I think it's one of the things that inspires me more than anything else. How can I incorporate something like this or like this without obviously stealing anybody's style? But that's not my thing, but you know. All right, that's enough rambling. I'm going to take another minute and appreciate someone else's art style by sharing Doll of the Week. This week's Doll of the Week is courtesy of my Discord server, and it comes from user @PutTheYarnDown, great username by the way, who shared this super cute photo of a couple of their Teeny Tinkers dolls, including a Poppy who has yet to be painted, but I'm very excited to see. They said that they love using pink, obviously. I think that's very obvious. And honestly, I love pink too, so I get it. But then they shared this photo that has their full Teeny Tinkers crew. I'm in love. It's so pink and purple and adorable, and it really made my day seeing all the different stylings and how cute they all look. And it's really nice seeing like groups of my dolls together that aren't my dolls. So thank you so much for sharing Put the Yarn Down. Now, if you want to be featured for Doll of the Week, you can post on Insta using the Teeny Tinkers Dolls hashtag or tag me, but you can also join the Discord I mentioned. The link is down in the description. We're over 100 people, so we're growing. We're going to get back to the video because, oh my gosh, it is time for these girls to get the real hands. Unfortunately, their actual magnet hands did not arrive in time from the caster for me to be able to send them to Jacky. I was quite sad, honestly. But it is definitely time to get them their appropriate hands because they are too darn beautiful to not have the right hands and instead have these like sunken in. Look how sunken in that is. Like, cry for me because it makes me extra sad because Jacky definitely took some time and added some blushing onto the wrists. Like, look how... She did such a good job, and I'm a little sad that when I put the new wrists on and the new hands, the blushing just suddenly stops. So I'm going to have to blush those myself to match in another time when I'm not so busy. But yeah, I am glad to have their own hands on them. They're going to be getting lovely manicures to do their look justice. You know, they're so cute. Goodbye, chunky bad hands. Get out of here. I now have a small drawer full of these crappy practice hands, but you know, it is what it is. I only have 2 other dolls that have been customized by other artists, and I keep them on this special shelf in my office all together. Currently, there is the Hollow version 1 that was done by Moonlight Jewel. And then there is the Soleil, the only Buttercup Soleil in existence that was painted for me and, well, everything for me by Gigglefish on Instagram. So I'm just going to put Juni and Penelope in their proper place right beside them. Any of my sculpts that are customized by other artists, I don't touch them. They stay exactly how I got them. And that's what's going to happen with these girls. They're going to live their birthday Lovecore fantasy forever. And should the time come around to do another Juni and Penelope pre-order in the future, they will definitely be making their way into some of the product photos. But that's it for now. I just want to give another shout out to Jacky for just being the absolute greatest. And a shout out to everybody who joined in the Juni and Penelope pre-order. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day.